Hello students. Welcome to this English writing skills lesson. Today we'll learn about posters, a commonly tested question in your exams. We'll understand what a poster is, the different types you need to know, how to design one effectively, and useful tips to help you score full marks. Let's dive in. A poster is a type of public notice designed to grab attention and communicate a message quickly. It's a blend of text and visuals, meant to inform, educate, advertise, or motivate people. Posters are often displayed in public places like schools, hospitals, community centers, or on social media in digital form. In exams, a poster must be visually attractive, brief, and informative, all at once. It serves to create awareness or convey information about an issue, event, or product within a limited space. Let's look at the different types of posters you might be asked to create. 1. Awareness posters. These are used to spread messages about social or health-related issues like say no to plastic, save water, or stop smoking. 2. Advertisement posters. These are commercial in nature and aim to promote services, products, or institutions. For example, a poster advertising coaching classes or a music concert. 3. Event posters. These announce upcoming events like cultural fests, rallies, competitions, or public meetings. 4. Educational posters, found mostly in schools and institutions, these posters share knowledge in a simplified and engaging way. 5. Motivational posters. These include inspiring quotes or messages that encourage people to stay positive or act responsibly. Posters serve multiple purposes in real life and in exams. They are used to inform or educate, such as telling people about hygiene practices or traffic rules. They promote events or services, such as science exhibitions, marathons, or sales. They also play a key role in raising awareness, for example, during a vaccination drive or a cleanliness campaign. Posters can be motivational, often displayed in classrooms or offices to encourage positive behavior. And finally, they can be purely decorative, adding color and theme to a space. In your exam, the use depends on the poster's topic and purpose. When designing a poster, there are some golden rules to follow. First, keep your message brief and to the point. The reader should be able to understand your message within seconds. Use bold and readable fonts, avoid fancy styles that are hard to read. Include relevant visuals or illustrations like drawings, symbols, or logos to make it visually appealing. Choose colors that match the tone, bright and energetic for celebrations, calm and serious for health campaigns. Structure the content in a logical order, starting with a catchy title or slogan, followed by the details and ending with a call to action or contact information if required. Here are some important tips to help you create a great poster and score well. Start with a catchy headline. This is what grabs the reader's attention. Keep your text short, sharp, and effective. Use phrases, slogans, or bullet points instead of long paragraphs. Balance images and text. Too much of either can spoil the poster. Make sure the poster is organized, neat, and visually attractive. Follow any word limit mentioned in the exam, usually between 50 to 60 words. If required, don't forget to include contact information such as a phone number, email, or address. Finally, stay on topic. The purpose of your poster must be clear and directly linked to the theme. Your school is organizing a blood donation camp. Prepare a poster for your school notice board with a catchy heading. Donate blood, save lives. Donate your precious blood at the New Era School Donation Camp on 25th September 2025 from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Venue, New Era Public School, B Block, Die Brugge. Important features include trained medical staff, free checkup of BP, issue of donor cards. Donate your precious blood today, you might need it one day. Blood donation camp organized by the New Era School in association with the Indian Red Cross Association. Design a poster in not more than 50 words for your school library on the value of books and good reading habits. You may use slogans. Books, our best friends. Books, inform, instruct, delight, enrich. Read best, speak best, and think best. Your school library has 10,000 books. When you are gloomy or lonely, your best friend is a book. Don't judge a book by its cover, read it. Reading makes a ready man. Take a book a day. Make reading a regular habit. Design a poster to launch tree plantation campaign in the area surrounding your school. Plant trees and live longer. Join Tree Plantation Campaign. Remember the benefits of trees. Release oxygen, bring rain, provide fruit and greenery, absorb carbon, check soil erosion. Trees live for us, let us protect our friends. As the Cultural Secretary of Holy Heart School, draft a poster inviting parents and students to the annual school fete and a blood donation camp. Invent the necessary details. Holy Heart School, Vasant Nagar, Lucknow, invites you to the annual school fete where education collaborates with fun. Date 10th and the 11th of January, 2023. Timings 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Venue school ground. Attractions, carnival rides, food and game stalls, science, art and cultural exhibitions. Entry free. A blood donation camp is also being organized in the school along with the school fete. You are a fitness trainer in a college. Design a poster in not more than 50 words, to be put up on the college notice board, to emphasize the importance of yoga in maintaining mental and physical fitness. You are Vishal Vishali. Yoga, discover the power within. Breathe, flow, transform. Stressed? Suffering from anxiety? Do yoga for physical and mental health. Breathe, flow, transform. Improve your concentration and your well-being. Join our free yoga classes from 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. at the school auditorium. Issued by Yoga Department. Anand Mai Institution, Milan Nagar, Jorhat. World Health Day. The 7th of April 20XX. Benefits of physical activity. 1. Reduces the risk of dying prematurely. 2. Helps to prevent or reduce hypertension. 3. Promotes psychological well-being, reduces stress, anxiety, feeling of depression and loneliness. 4. Helps control weight and lower the risk of becoming obese. 5. Can help in the management of painful conditions like back pain and joint pains. Keep healthy. Do at least 30 minutes of physical activity daily. Issued by Directorate General of Health Services. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Voluntary Blood Donation Day. Donate blood. The bond of love, the gift of life. We are blood brothers, one and all. Any healthy person between 18 and 60 years of age can donate blood. Donating blood is a noble act of service not only to the ailing, but to humanity at large. The gift of blood is the noblest and the most precious of all gifts. Donating blood saves life at no cost or risk to the donor. Come forward and donate blood voluntarily and regularly. Issued by National Health Control Organisation, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Life is precious, take care, drive carefully. Follow traffic rules. Never jump red light. Don't mix drinking and driving. Never use a mobile phone while driving. Maintain your vehicle regularly. Always overtake from the right-hand side of the vehicle. Always carry vehicle papers and driving license. Always drive in your lane and use proper indicators before you change the lane. Issued by Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Government of India. Save oil, save energy. Harvest rainwater. Conserve water. Recycle paper or water. Plant and nurture trees. Segregate your household garbage into biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Don't litter indiscriminately. Use jute or cloth bags instead of plastic bag. Always dispose e-waste properly. Use compact fluorescent light. CFL. Install solar lighting. Adopt green building technologies. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Let's adopt one tree each to nurture and protect. Youth Environment Awareness. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.